Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading NASDAQ futures. Now watch this very, very carefully. We're about to make over $800 in less than 30 seconds. Less than 30 seconds, we're making over $800. At one point, we're up $1,000, but we end up booking profits and making $800. We started with 2 contracts, we closed out 1, and now we're flat. That means that we're out of the position. So how are we able to do this? It's called trading the futures market. At theprofitroom.com, we trade all markets: stock, options, futures, and Forex. If it has a chart, we trade it. Now look at this. This is another opportunity for us to trade. We wait for a clean trade setup based off of technical analysis, and we enter the trade. Now, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the art of looking at a chart, like a candlestick chart like you see here now, and anticipating the movement of the price using support and resistance and other factors into our mindset to determine where the price will go. Amazing, 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 right? And this is what we teach people how to do every single day in the market. We're able to get in this trade a second time. Since we made the money so fast earlier, it's easy for us to walk away. Making over $800 in 30 seconds is great. But since we are professional traders and we run a live trading room where we give out futures and Forex alerts, we sit back and we wait for other opportunities. Now it's still the morning time. It is still around maybe 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We took that first trade earlier right away, soon as the market opened, based off of technical analysis. So now we're in a little bit more of a controlled trade. This is starting to break out. Now this is what we teach our students at the Profit Room. We put a lot of factors into place every time we enter a trade. So risk management is our priority. As you notice, the bar starts to go higher and higher and higher. This lets us know that there's more buying pressure coming in and that we can anticipate the price to go even higher. So when you're trading and investing in the financial markets, it's all based off of emotions. That's why you see these candles are red for fear and you see green for greed, right? So when we use these candles, we could determine based off of emotion where the price may head to. This is a wonderful skill that you can learn how to do. And as you notice, we get out this trade and we made amazing profits. Over $1,200 in less than 15 minutes in the market. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success. Be safe, guys, and we'll see you in the Profit Room.